Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this mathematics play. Trigonometry. I have completed this chapter, but now since examination is knocking the door, and therefore I would like to revise. And I have given you information what will be the chapter and what will be the syllabus. Now you see trigonometry. I have explained many things, and I suppose you must have learned, you must have followed my instruction. Identities, trigonometric identities. Yesterday I have explained how can you learn that technique to develop yourself. Everything cannot be learned. So you should try to learn the basic, and therefore you can derive the formula yourself. So yesterday I have explained one question and solved also, and there are 10 questions. All the questions are very, very important. But now you see 2 questions I have mentioned on the blackboard. So you have to prove cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2c. So my dear student, I have explained many times. So this is the identities. Many type of question can be asked through in this trigonometric identity. Now you have to prove this is equal to this. So we start from left hand side. It is not any definite rule that we should start from left side and we should get right side, or we can start from RHS and we should get LHS. So this depends upon the question. So from any side we can prove these questions. Now you see, and इसमें different type of techniques are used. In sum we find the LCM. Here we find the LCM. 1 plus sin A and cos A. The LCM will be 1 plus sin A into cos A. If the question arises in your mind, sir, how can we know? That is not any definite guideline that this type of question you have to solve this. मैं एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ कि the more question you will solve, the more idea you will learn. So it cannot be explained in theory that you have to use this formula, you have to use this formula, you have to find the LCM, you have to rationalize the denominator, all these things. So this is the LCM, and as you simplify the fraction like that, this will be considered cos A, cos A square A, and this will be 1 plus sin A whole square. ये समझ में आ रहा होगा. Now you leave that denominator as it is, whatever we have got, 1 plus sin A cos A, and this will be cos square A, and this is a lovely identity, is A plus B whole square. So A square 1, 2AB, 2 into 1 into sin A, 2 sin A, and plus B square means sin square A. Now you see cos square plus sin square, these two is equal to 1. I have explained this formula. So cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A, and denominator we have just written ditto whatever we have got in the previous step, and this is the cos A. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 sin A, and ditto denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now you see numerator, you take 2 common. So in the bracket you will get 1 plus sin A. Now we are very close to the answer. And now this will be cancelled. 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. So you are getting 2y cos A. You can write this one 2 into 1y cos A, or 1y cos A equal to sec A. So 2 sec A, this is the right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now, here the question is, this is a not definite rule so that you can apply. As I told you, the more question, the more problems, the more sums you will solve, the more ideas you will learn. This is the most important point you should follow. So this is the solution of question number 7 of question number 5. Now you see question number 8. Although there are 10 questions, every question is very important. And more questions you will try to solve to prove that trigonometric identities, either from R.D. Sharma or Agrawal books. Now you see A plus B whole square. You can bracket by the algebraic identities. A square to sine square, B square cos square, plus 2 sine A cos A, sorry. And now also you break this one, cos A plus B whole square. So A square cos square A, B square sec square A, plus 2ab, 2 cos A sec A. Now what we have done? We have broken in this these two by using the algebraic identity A plus B whole square. Now you see sine square plus cos square. All these are same sign plus sine square cos square equal to 1. Cosec square. Now you see the right side. Tan square cos square we have to obtain. तो cosec square का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कौन सा? Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So 1 will be cosec square A. Cosec square A is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? So this will be 1 plus cot square A. So in place of cosec square you write 1 plus cot square A. बोले सर cosec का फॉर्मूला 1 sin square पे होता है. Why we have not used that formula? Because we have to be very careful what you have to obtain. Tan और cos लाना है, तो इसलिए हम उसको लाए हैं. And 2 sin A, cosec 1 sin A. और साइन की जगह में लिख सकते हैं 1 cos A, this will be cancelled, है कि नहीं? And sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. तो इसमें भी आ जाएगा sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square A. And this will be 2 cos A. और sec को लिख दीजिए 1 cos A. और cosec को लिख सकते हैं 1 से. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus cos square A, and this will be 2 and 2, 4, and this will be 1, and this will be tan square A. So now you see 2 plus 4 plus 1, 7, plus cos square A, plus tan square A. So this is the result. So my dear student, this is question number 8. So यहाँ पर देखिए कि वैसे आप इसको ऐसे ट्राई कर सकते हैं 1 by sin होल करने के बाद देखिए उसमें कैसा आता है. तो if you try to use that formula, so you will find you can also solve, but now this is very short, and tan and cot you have to obtain. Therefore we have used cosec square is equal to 1 plus cot square A. and sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square. So these two are the solutions of question number 5. That is very important. And this is the last exercise because examination very near, and so we should concentrate on revision. So after a couple of days, maybe from tomorrow or maybe from Monday onwards, we will revise from chapter 1. So one question more I would like to solve. Question number 6, 1 plus sin A root 1 minus sin A root is equal to sec A plus tan A. Now you see, इसको just like जैसे हम revision करते हैं, rationalize करते हैं, what we rationalize, so we can multiply by 1 minus 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, and also in the numerator also 1 by sin A and do 1 plus sin. Now you see that will be whole square, 1 plus sin A whole square, and this will be A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, and this will be whole under root. Now this is the square and under root, so square and under root opposite, so 1 plus sin A will be out of root. And this is this cannot be done like that because this is not whole number. So you convert into cos square A, and then you will change. So this will be changed 1 plus sin A upon this will be cos A. Again. So we have started from LHS left hand side. We have just followed that process to rationalize the denominator. We are multiplying by 1 plus sin A numerator and denominator. We are getting numerator 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square, and whole square and under root these two will be cancelled. 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now this cos A is the denominator for all these two. So you separate it, so you can write 1 by cos A, and this will be sin A by cos A. And now you see 1 by cos A is equal to sec A, sin by cos is equal to tan. That's all. This is the proof. LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? So it is not possible for me, although it is not possible for me to solve all the questions. I have explained a few questions, I have solved also, but now it is up to you how many questions you can solve, or if you cannot solve, then I will help you, I will guide you, I will solve the questions and you will complete. And so you should not be habituated to only copy from the blackboard. This is not good habit. Good habit is that you try to understand. It may take time, but this is the only way to learn more and more. So I have solved 3 questions, I suppose, 3 or 4, and many questions you will try to solve. And if you cannot, you will contact me, I will help you, I will explain you. That's all. So you will complete, and then you will concentrate on revision from chapter 1. From Monday onwards, I am going to divide from number system, that is rational number. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.